Technology has changed the world of education today. Information and communication technology (ICT) is a major factor in shaping the new global economy and producing rapid changes in society. Within the past decade, the new ICT tools have fundamentally changed the process of teaching and learning. Educational institutions may either assume a leadership role in the transformation of education or be left in the rapid technological change. For education to reap the full benefits of ICT in learning, it is essential that all the stakeholders of education have basic ICT skills. The critical factor in the successful integration of ICT in the education is the extent to which the educators have the skills in ICT. I am Dr. Ismail Tamarasheri, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Central University of Kashmir. I am going to offer you a course on ICT skills in education. The course content is part of your approved university syllabus. Learners who passed any degree program can join this course. Overall objective of this course is to develop awareness among you about the importance and need of incorporating modern ICT skills in education. This course will give you a clear understanding of what is happening to different aspects of ICT worldwide. This course is also designed in a way to make the learners critically aware about the various issues in the integration of ICT in education. After completing this course, you will be getting familiar with the meaning, need, significance and emerging trends of ICT skills in education. Once you complete the course, you can surely master in various ICT skills. The course content will be educational technology, blended learning, flipped classroom, open education resources, cloud computing, mobile apps, ICT skills in classroom, teachers in the digital era, database management systems, learning management systems, computer networks, e-governance, e-learning, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and free and open source software. It is a 4-credit course that have to be completed within a period of 14 weeks. Modules for learning will be uploaded in the first 3 days of every week, followed by interaction based on the modules covered. Regular live interaction and discussion forum will be the added attraction of this course. Each module includes quiz, assignments, and reference materials. Let me invite you all to join with me in this wonderful journey to the evolving ICT skills in education. Come and explore the dynamic world of ICT skills.